Today I will be talking about transcription and translation. So right here we are given a coding strand and a template strand, and we're going to use that coding strand to transcribe it into an mRNA strand, which is shown right here. And it's to be noted that there are no T's in an mRNA strand, that those are changed to U's. And from transcription we can translate those into amino acids. And as you can see here, I've translated it and I've gotten a sequence of 3 amino acids here, 2 stop codons, and then a sequence of 5 amino acids to code for a protein right there. And I did this using this chart right here, which shows you what each group of 3 codes for here. So if we scroll down, this is the original strand that I just showed. And first off, I'm going to show what happens if there's a missense in the translation process. So what is happening here is that this UGG has been changed to UGC, so G was changed to a C. That's a transversion. And a transversion occurs if a pyridamine turns into a pyramine or a purine changes to a pyridamine. And so as you can see here, this has changed the entire amino acid, so it's going to change the protein. It changed from a W to a C. Next, we have a nonsense, which happens when an amino acid is changed into a stop codon, and it's going to shorten the sequence here and change the protein yet again. So here we had UGG, and that changed to UGA, which codes for a stop, and that is a transition from a G to an A, so that is transition, and a transition is when a purine changes to another purine or a pyridamine changes to another pyridamine. And here you can see that from the original strand, it was a W that changed to a stop. We have a silent one, which means that it codes for the same amino acid, but there is a change in the sequence here, and it was from ACU to ACC, but they both code for T, so it doesn't change the overall protein or amino acid structure. Next, we have a read-through. Oh, and this one above is a transition, because it went from a U to a C. A read-through happens when it changes a stop to an amino acid. So here we have UGA changing to UGU, which codes for a C, which makes the amino acid chain longer and changes the protein. And that was a transversion because it occurred from an A to a U. These are my references.